I forget, sir, last month.
Yeah.
And then the government is sponsoring much more amount for this topic. And better to include about the government schemes. Like in Andhra Pradesh also RSS scheme, BT has been running about it. If we include about it, under that banner, they are going to get us from the national, and we can tap that. And another last, the WHO is there. They are spending huge money to organize such type of conferences where not the heterogeneous groups they are looking towards, not individual groups.
Their topic for WHO will be world, and we can simply
Universal
say
universal health.
universal health.
Are coming in
You
from.
mean family medicine?
No, sir. When a person is home, unable to take care of himself or herself, an agency will provide the level of health care from very elementary, helping them with their any of the activities of daily living up to cooking and everything, the whole range. So that is a burgeoning field and opportunity.
Maybe I think in medical words it is called as a primary care.
No, giving a problem parents here and getting old, so it is a good one.
Right. I already noted this.
Even palliative
care thing to their insurance. So people who are getting insured, so the insurance. So here also corporate play a very major role. So we can include preventive healthcare because diagnostic centers look for preventive healthcare kind of business curve. So here in corporate and the diagnostic centers and TPS work in sync. So if you include preventive healthcare also, we can get huge number of people coming in for the expo.
Key garden as a build-up should involve major hospital. For example, the cancer care chapter here, we have good institutions here like India, so one day or 2 days, a road show can complete just meet the people who are. We know potential speakers there, but somehow you have to, doctors, it is difficult to come.
Now that you mentioned that about oncology or
Yes.
cancer care, hospice, medical hospice is completely lacking kind of a thing in this country. It's just a new startup that's doing pretty well here. But medical hospice, people who are on the verge of tertiary care,
Yes.
that is completely a non-entity, non-existing. So that is perhaps something that could be included in this as a chapter.
You elaborate a little bit.
So it is all about, let's assume that there is a patient who's in the terminal stages. So we have a lot of societal inclinations and certain restrictions regarding home care. And it is also about sensitizing the doctors towards that. The age-old days of saying, when the days are nearing, you would tell them, take them home, which isn't probably the right thing to do. So that is something which is completely lacking. There's one Splash which has just started, and they're doing really well. So hospice is something that we don't have in this the meeting here or the agenda here in the topics.
Well, let's organize Let's organize our
is the same, that's why.
Let's organize our discussion
Yes.
on innovativeness in this.
Yes.
Innovativeness. First we'll go for innovate. What we have it. But is there anything really innovative idea that we are missing here?
Workshop on government procedures, standardization being borrowed across the country. Actually, I know that the request came from the PM to share all the procedures so that we can take it across the country.
That's an invention.
They have partially been successful in doing that. They have this supposed to be
I don't think it is there anywhere else in the world. 3 more states have started.
Yeah, he is a member.
Actually, I am into history, sir, right from the beginning. I am also a panel doctor for them, and yesterday at the similar time, at the same time, I was with them only in about kidney transplantation problems in the state. But the major drawback of Araghishri is it is only to serve the people, only to give the treatment. And in fact, the major drawback which I have been telling the CEOs right from the beginning is that he never had any academic tinge to that. In fact, we could have actually produced the world the best epidemiological data, the studies about the management issues of every disease. In fact, you take just kidney, cardiac and cancer or anything, the best data you would have actually got provided Araghishri and has an academic tinge right from the beginning, but unfortunately it doesn't have. Most of the data, okay, it has got a wonderful software. I am also fed up of that software of Aragesri. Basically, it makes the things very complex. It won't tell the nose where it is exactly. It will roam around and tell ultimately that this is the nose. That's what actually the very complex software which has got. But thing is that the statistics are not truly good, because I presented the data of nephrology oriented in our national conference, like how many patients are having a kidney disease and what is the discrimination about the male versus female, the children versus adult, in the management of kidney diseases through the Aragesri data. But I know that there is some lacunae in that. Like the way somebody said the data of that can be utilized or something like that. But you can actually involve Aragesri people so that let them also understand that just simply blindly doing the work is not of much use. They have treated lakhs and lakhs of people. Ultimately, no data there. It's the WHO. In fact, if you see the website of the WHO, I know that being a nephrologist, I know that it is one of the major reasons of mortality is a chronic kidney disease, which is always an undermined entity. If you take top 10 or top 20 of mortalities in this world, part of the world, WHO never mentions about the kidney at all. That shows that it's lack of proper data. If we see the proper data by organizations like Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have got this program, Tamil Nadu and even Karnataka and UP also has got similar kind of programs, where we can pull up the data. This is the right opportunity for us to involve them and take the data and project that. But it's important for the healthcare management in the future.
But I think what he's saying is that a lot of multiple families who are bone in the heart was cured, all sort of things got cured, which was impossible to do. Earlier model was insurance, now government is paying directly. They have dropped the insurance out. So I think it's a decent model to look at and share. If
if I did the statistics and I could come out with something which I got an award for that from nephrology, nothing to do.
Let me volunteer. We will make an effort to see whether it can be done in others.
Okay.
Because we are involved with
We will have some information built into the public government schemes. Major emphasis for the RMPC.
Yeah, government schemes we can talk about a little more so that they can share one another and also to improve, with the academic aspect also.
We will write to the Aragesri department. Let them come.
No, we will definitely invite them.
So we'll invite, but
You won't give anything. That's a different matter. We will ask. I said this. We can write to Aragesri department head. Probably an IAS
CMO.
That is if they contribute something, it is
They are very positive.
positive in spirit or in
money wise.
okay. All right. Okay. Anything else, please?
One more. Changing the
Real change. You can educate regulators what are the items involved, schedules involved, and how to work in clinical research analysis standards, and just dealing with generics and biosimilars. That is a totally different.
no reform. Just to improve public perception needs to be changed. Means in the sense how to influence the audience present in the summit. So that influence, like it is mostly connected to reforms associated with the existence of existing current industry. So reforms can be dealt in most productive way in the form of summit.
Within the framework of the national policy and
Yes.
Again, that comes under that only, but it can be better term is the physical medicine and rehabilitation. Yeah, it is actually put together, it will be a better terminology rather than physiotherapy and equipment. Think in terms of that.
physical medicine.